Welcome to this tutorial on CloudFormation Change Sets. In this video, you'll learn how to preview infrastructure changes safely before applying them to your AWS environment. Change sets are a critical feature for any DevOps professional working with CloudFormation, helping you avoid costly mistakes and unexpected downtime in production systems. A change set is a preview mechanism that shows exactly what will change in your CloudFormation stack before you execute any updates. Think of it as a safety net for your infrastructure. With change sets, you can see which resources will be added, modified, or deleted. This helps you prevent accidental resource deletion or replacement. You get to review the full impact of your changes before committing them to production, giving you confidence and control over your infrastructure updates. Let's understand why change sets are essential. Without change sets, you're executing updates blindly, which creates risk of unexpected deletions and potential production downtime. But with change sets, you get to preview all changes first, catch destructive actions early, and perform safe and controlled updates. It's the difference between hoping nothing breaks and knowing exactly what will happen when you apply your template changes. Creating a change set is straightforward using the AWS command line interface. You use the AWS CloudFormation Create Change Set command, specify your stack name with the stack name flag, give your change set a descriptive name using the change set name flag, provide your updated template file with the template body flag, and include any parameters your template needs. The change set name should be descriptive and include version information, so you can track different proposed changes over time. Once your change set is created, you need to review it before executing. Use the AWS CloudFormation Describe Change Set command with your stack name and change set name. This command returns detailed information about every change that will occur, including which resources are affected, what type of change will happen, and whether any resources will be replaced. This is your opportunity to carefully review everything before making any actual changes to your infrastructure. Change sets categorize modifications into three types. Add means new resources will be created in your stack. Modify means existing resources will be updated or replaced, and this is where you need to pay special attention because some modifications require replacement, which means downtime. Remove means resources will be permanently deleted from your stack. Understanding these change types helps you assess the risk and impact of your updates. When you're satisfied with the preview, you can execute the change set using the AWS CloudFormation Execute Change Set command with your stack name and change set name. But be careful. Once you execute a change set, changes are applied immediately and cannot be undone. This is why the preview step is so critical. Always make sure you've thoroughly reviewed the changes and are ready to proceed before executing. Let's review some best practices for working with change sets. Always review change sets before executing in production environments. Look specifically for replacement actions that could cause downtime or data loss. Use descriptive names for your change sets that include version information or dates. And finally, delete unused change sets to keep your stacks organized and avoid confusion. Following these practices will help you maintain safe and predictable infrastructure updates. Thanks for watching, and remember to always preview before you deploy.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.